New century begins, and with it, a new identity for an old invention. The symbol resurfaces, no longer hidden, but openly embraced.
The inverted pentagram, now fused with the goat, becomes something entirely new.
Not ancient, not Templar, but modern, defined by choice, not history. It spreads through culture, reinforced by repetition, amplified by media. Fiction strengthens perception until it feels indistinguishable from truth. The image becomes familiar, accepted without question. Stories connected backward, rewriting history to fit the narrative. Freemasonry remains unchanged, yet continually misrepresented. The image becomes familiar, accepted without question. No records, no symbols, no connection. Only silence, where evidence should be. Layer by layer, the illusion begins to fall. What remains is far simpler than imagined. A name. Misunderstood.
An image invented. A symbol repurposed. And a myth repeated until being believed.
But belief is not the same as truth. And truth does not fear the light. The shadow fades when understood. What was once feared becomes simply known.
And what is known loses its power to deceive.
So the question remains: if this myth was constructed,
What else have you been taught to believe?